How to fix ChatGPT app not working in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix your ChatGPT problem, then firstly open App Store and then search here ChatGPT. Now here you can see the app ChatGPT. Now click on it. Make sure you update your ChatGPT. If you have an update, then update your ChatGPT. After update your ChatGPT, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find ChatGPT. Now click on it and then click on offload app. Now again click on offload app. After offload your ChatGPT, then reinstall it. After offload, then click on reinstall app. After install it, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.